Hello, my name is John Zaktansky. I'm the Middle Susquehanna River Keeper coming to you today from Sunbury, Pennsylvania. And this is the next in our series of Study the Susquehanna videos, showing you experiments you can do at home with your kids. Today's topic is soil erosion. Okay, for today's soil experiment, we need 3 containers. They're made out of 2-liter soda bottles with the tops cut off of them, as you can see. Obviously, when working with kids and scissors and knives, you want to be careful with that. But overall, we want 3 containers, and in each of them, we want to put soil. And I say soil, not dirt, because as one farmer told me, dirt is what you clean out of your house, and soil is what you grow in. We have our 3 containers, as you see. The first, we want just plain soil, no toppers, nothing else. This is just open, exposed soil. And you can see I have some water in there as well to get it up to the top. The next container has soil with some organic matter on the top. I have dead leaves and some other dead items in there, decaying items on top. This acts kind of like a mulch. And lastly, soil with grass growing through it. And we'll see how each of those responds to a little bit of man-made rain. We're going to make it rain now and see what kind of soil erosion we have happening in each bottle into our containers. So first we make it rain. Put some bottled water into container number 1. You can see it coming out. We make it rain into container number 2. So this container with our organic matter / nature's mulch. And lastly, we make it rain into our plant-based container. So here we are with the end result of this experiment, our 3 containers. Container number 1 with the exposed soil when we ran our man-made rain system over the top. We got quite a bit of sediment washed into this sample. You can see it's murky and muddy, and if you do this at home and leave it sit for quite a while, you can come back and actually measure at the bottom. All the soil will sink to the bottom, and you'll be able to see how much sediment is there. In our other 2 containers, this is with our organic layer on top and with our plant layer, obviously protected the soil quite a bit compared to the first sample. Typically in these experiments, and I've done this one specifically in the past quite a bit, you'll see a noticeable difference in the plant is even cleaner typically than the organic matter one. In this case, it looks like organic has it just by a little bit, but again, you can continue running these experiments at home.
Work on Turtle Creek in Union County continued on Monday as several groups and landowners moved forward on the long-term project.
Turtle Creek has been a lot of fun. The landowners have been very engaged and enthusiastic, everything from taking a week off work to help out with the hands-on labor to helping to move equipment around and move materials around on site. Some of the farmers have kids, and the kids have been asking a lot of questions and want to, see what's going on and want to, help in the ways they can, whether it's, seeding and mulching and stuff like that. So it's been a lot of fun.
The biggest thing was stream bank erosion. We saw vertical stream banks adding a lot of sediment to the stream, coating the bottom of the stream, and it's listed as an impaired stream because of that sediment that's coating the stream. So that was the focus that we saw a way to address with our stream bank stabilization work.
As Jason was mentioning, we're providing overhead cover as well as stabilizing the bank, taking away the vertical aspect of the bank, trying to get a little bit more slope to it, alleviate some of that energy and pressure that's on that bank, and allowing it to kind of stay more in the thalweg of the channel, the deepest portion of the channel, and continue on a nice gentle turn here, transitioning in and out into the next 90-degree turn. So
the biggest issue, and this is not unique to Turtle Creek, is lack of deep-rooted vegetation. You see some trees behind me. but the rest of the stream corridor here doesn't have that deep-rooted, tree cover and that stability that's kind of hidden in those roots. When you have good trees, good roots, you're going to have stable stream banks. Here we didn't have that, and that's where that unraveling can happen.
So we're really happy with the progress. Again, the enthusiasm in the watershed just keeps kind of feeding and building on itself. So a lot of projects have been done. There's still some sites we want to work on and get some work done on. And then there will be little minor things, whether it's working with a landowner who maybe has a more open area and wants to do some riparian buffer plantings or things like that. So there's still work to be done, but not near as much as there was back when we got started.